going on, everybody? So I just wanted to try to make a short video to address something that I thought was over, and I think you all did too. So my mom, being the nice, kind sweetheart that she is, commented on one of Pinnacle's videos, and she is a good Christian woman, and she was quoting some Bible quotes, and Pinnacle, made a video and brought that up and basically said she should be talking to me about that. Maybe he should have paid attention to the comments, because she said in the comments, which I'll put up here, that she's even told me the same thing. Again, this kid's not going to quit. He claims he's going to sue me, or he wants to press charges in the state of Georgia because I recorded his phone call. Well, I've already talked to several attorneys, and there's several problems with him trying to press charges. Number one, he's not on U.S. soil. Number two, he wasn't on U.S. soil when the call happened. Number three, in order for him to sue me, he has to come to the state of Georgia. He can't go anywhere. His visa's expired. He's literally stuck in Vietnam. He couldn't come here if he wanted to. But of course he wants everybody to think he is. And the last thing I wanted to point out, and again, y'all, I'm so sorry I'm having to do this again, but my mom got brought into it now. So of course it's an issue again, just like it was with my daughter. But Andre, this is for you, because I know you're going to watch the video. I'm going to put the screenshot up here. Next time you send people to my YouTube channel to comment, when you tell them to quote something, tell them dumbasses not to copy and paste the quote. They could have left that out. So literally where you told them to quote, they paste the quote with what you told them to quote. So you want to talk about my mom copying and pasting Bible quotes? She don't need to copy and paste them. It's up here. Just like me with credit repair, it's up here. Why am I better than you? It's up here. I'm not sending people's information to Tammy in India and paying them $6 an hour. I don't care how much experience they have. They're stealing people's personal information and selling it because you're only paying them $6 an hour. Or as he said, $250 a week salary. Either way, that's terrible. But you're more than welcome to file a complaint with whoever. You're more than welcome to try to sue me. But again, you're not on U.S. soil. You wasn't on U.S. soil when the video call happened. And you would have to come to the States to do so, and you're not going to. But what about the illegal wire transfers that you've been doing and stuff like that? Does any of that matter? It really don't to me. I could care less. I mean, whatever. But the call wasn't recorded for business purposes. It was for reference purposes. So I exposed you. You told the truth. ACAT's not real. You mail your letters just like me. So why can't we just squash this and be done with it? I think we both know that you're not going to stop scamming people. It's all you know. You've been doing it for over 10 years, so you're not going to stop. So you stop talking about me, and I'll stop talking about you. But the last thing I'll say, again, because I know you're going to watch this video, be careful what you say, and you can't hide forever. You cannot hide forever. Y'all have any questions or concerns about this video, please leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.